Hi, my name's Eddie Beans, and I'm the Virginia Retail Sales Manager for American Home Contractors. We're standing here today in front of one of our customers' homes where we recently had the roof replaced. Mr. and Mrs. Saxena gave us a call because of the condition of the roof. They saw shingles falling off, and the roof looked pretty old. Upon reviewing the roof and checking it out, we realized that there was substantial storm damage to the roof and helped them through the claim process with their insurance. The customers are very happy. They went with the IKO shingles. We do sell those a lot, and we like that brand as well. American Home Contractors specializes in exterior home remodeling. We do roofing, siding, windows, gutters, doors, all of that. If you have any issues with storm damage on any one of those items, give Eddie Beans a call at American Home Contractors.